Hey guys, this is my 540i V8 6-speed with a complete custom exhaust system that I built for it myself. I've got 2.5 coming off of each downpipe. Cats are completely removed altogether. We merged the 2.5, made a custom Y pipe into 3-inch, and brought the 3-inch back to a nice heavy duty solid welded thrush muffler with a nice set of Akrapovic tips. Just a little view under the car here for you. So there we have the Y pipe. It's kind of hard to see, sorry. Now this thing hasn't been fired up all day, so we'll do a little cold start here for you. Nice clean sound. Not a real cold day, so it's not quite up on its high but idle. This old car runs real strong though, I will say. I'll let her warm up a little bit more here before we give it any real big shots. That's just a little 3,000 watt. Custom DVD screen. It's like a tablet. It's got all kinds of apps and stuff. My cousin calls this the German NASCAR. It's like, I always know when it's you when you go by. He said it sounds like a NASCAR V8. This car is also Turner tuned by Turner Motorsports from the States. Actually both my cars are, the M5 and this 540. And this car now has approximately about 20,000 kilometers onto it with Turner's tune, and it makes your throttle response quite a bit more better. It gives you a little bit more horsepower, a little bit more torque. I've also got the big throttle body onto it from Turner Motorsports, and I've also got the best intake that you can put on the 4.4, the factory one, the older one. So I got some good parts into it. It's a strong running old car. Like I said, she doesn't miss a beat. The rear end's still holding up for you guys that are watching the channel and follow it. The rear end hasn't disintegrated yet, so thumbs up on that. And yeah, I mean, just change the oil into it, put back tires on it once in a while. Typical BMW. She's warmed up now. I get no complaints with this thing. Great on gas, good power.